The Harley-Davidson 883 is part of the Sportster series produced by the iconic American motorcycle manufacturer, Harley-Davidson. This model is well suited for urban riding and light touring, known for its lightweight design, maneuverability, and classic styling. Engine displacement, 883 cubic centimeters. Type, air-cooled V-twin. Compression ratio, 9:1. Fuel system, electronic fuel injection, EFI. Dimensions: length, 86 inches 2,184 millimeters. Seat height, unladen 29.9 inches 760 millimeters. Ground clearance, 5.5 inches 140 millimeters. Wheelbase, 59.6 inches 1,514 millimeters. Rake, steering head angle 30 degrees. Dry weight, 545 pounds 247 kilograms. Fuel capacity: fuel tank, 3.3 gallons, 12.5 liters. Oil capacity, 2.8 quarts, 2.6 liters. Tires: front tire, 190B 1957H. Rear tire, 150/80B 1677H. Key features: blacked-out aluminum wheels. Tuck and roll style seat for comfort. Advanced suspension for smooth handling. The Iron 883 model stands out for its minimalist, all-black design, making it ideal for city riding. Its comfortable seat and smooth ride ensure a pleasant experience for riders. This motorcycle combines Harley-Davidson's timeless tradition with modern features, offering a robust engine, durable construction, and an overall design that appeals to both new and seasoned motorcycle enthusiasts.